Can you find the perfect outfit colour for Peppa and her friends? But don't forget to share the fun and subscribe to our channel. Oh wow! Look at those cool Chloe Pig shadows. Let's colour everyone.
Orange, green, purple,
teal green,
yellow,
Let's grab our crayons and colour Chloe Pig shadows. Does Chloe Pig wear an orange dress?
Uh-oh.
Is that the right colour for Chloe Pig's outfit?
Uh-oh.
Could this be Chloe Pig's favourite colour?
Uh-oh.
Is teal green the right dress for Chloe?
Uh-oh.
What do you think, kids? Is yellow the perfect match? Perfect match! You kids are geniuses!
George, if you pretend to be a baby, I promise to be nice to you forever and ever.
George is thinking.
And you can play with all my toys.
George is thinking more.
And when we get home, you can play with all my toys.
George has decided.
Goo, goo, goo.
What a sweet baby piggy.
These shadows need your magic. Let's colour them beautifully.
pink, green, yellow, purple, red,
Wait, does Peppa Pig wear a pink dress all time?
Uh-oh.
Look closely, kids. Is this Peppa's real dress colour?
Uh-oh.
Peppa Pig is ready to jump in muddy puddles. But is this the right dress colour?
Uh-oh.
Do you think Peppa really wears this colour?
Uh-oh.
Such a pretty colour, but is it really Peppa's dress? Yes, yes, yes! That's the correct outfit for Peppa Pig.
It is lunchtime for baby Alexander.
Cousin Peppa is going to feed you today, Alexander.
Here you are, baby. Oh, here it is. He keeps turning his head.
Feeding baby Alexander is quite hard.
Watch this. Here comes the aeroplane. Woo!
These fun shadows are waiting for you. Let's make them colourful and bright.
green, orange, white, red, blue,
Do you think George really wears this colour shirt?
Uh-oh.
Does George Pig wear this colour?
Uh-oh.
Use your brain, kids. Is this white is George's shirt colour?
Uh-oh.
Did we find the right shirt for George?
Uh-oh.
George loves dinosaurs, but does he love this shirt colour too? Amazing job, you got it right! Yay!
Peppa and George are playing in the garden.
To me, George. You threw the ball too hard, George. So the rules say I win. Now it's my turn. I win again.
It's colouring time, kids. Let's turn those black shadows into colourful fun.
white, Red. Blue.
Let's guess the perfect colour of Richard Rabbit's clothes. Is white the perfect colour for Richard Rabbit's shirt?
Uh-oh.
Could green be the colour Richard Rabbit loves to wear?
Uh-oh.
Is red the best match for Richard Rabbit's shirt?
Uh-oh.
Do you think Richard Rabbit wears a dark blue shirt? You got it! High five, Smarty Pants, wave!
George, Richard Rabbit is here.
Georgie! Richard! Dinosaur! Dinosaur!
Bye-bye, Richard. I'll be back to pick you up later. George and Richard are best friends.